Hi everybody, welcome back to Kaden's Kitchen. Today we're making brownie cookies. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Flour, butter, sugar, eggs, salt and baking powder, vanilla, cocoa, oil, chocolate chips. First we melt the butter. Now we add the butter, oil, cocoa powder, and sugar. Mix together. It smells like chocolate. Next, add the egg. Add the rest of the ingredients. Now mix together. Preheat the oven for 350 and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Now for my favorite part, the taste test! That's pretty good.
Like and join us next time.